This is part 2 using Roslyn gel kit. On this nail I'm going to paint an ombre, and then I'm going to do a swirl pattern on top. I painted the darker color on top so that the effect would really pop. And I'm just doing squiggly lines. On this nail I'm going to paint a patchwork pattern using 3 colors and stitches. And the pumpkin nail is making another appearance. Just highlighting some of those lines. And another blood nail, but I'm doing it on the cuticle instead of the tip this time. And this is just a creepy crawly spider nail. Here's the full set using the Roslyn gel polish colors. What do you guys think?